Hi everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video. My name is Aydin Nasserifard. In this video, we are taking a look at the Biblioteca room from the TryHackMe. Our goal is to find user and root flags. The purpose of this machine is to use a privilege escalation technique called Python library hijacking. Let's copy the IP and do a port scan. I use Rust scan. Tag A to specify the address. Tag R to scan all ports. Tag SC for default scripts and tag SV to enumerate versions. We do have a port 22 open serving SSH and 8000 open serving HTTP with a Python web server. So let's open IP with this port in our web browser. This is a web application with a login form. Can I sign in use the default username and password? No. Is this vulnerable to like SQL injection? Admin or 1 equals 1. Yeah, login success. Hi Smokey. Welcome to the index page. Easy peasy. Can I just totally weaponize this with sqlmap? I want to see a post request. Admin. And we add the username and password. Okay. Let's do sqlmap on that. sqlmap tag u to run with a URL HTTP port 8000/login. Try to add data. Tag data. Username can equal anything, and password can equal anything. Tag badge to not ask me anything anymore. Testing Boolean-based blind, PostgreSQL and error-based techniques. Try to inject different techniques, SQL injection techniques, and payloads. Testing Microsoft SQL Server, stacked queries, Oracle stacked queries, MySQL stacked queries, and blah, blah, blah. Okay, post parameter username is vulnerable. Uh, let's try numerate databases with DBS. We find information on the schema and website databases. Let's try to change the syntax to now run with the website database. Tag D website and look for tables are present. Okay, we find users table. Let's find out what the users might be. I suppose reach for columns. Tag T users tag columns. So these are columns. Let's go ahead and dump. Tag dump. And it had found a username called Smokey and a password without hashing for Smokey. Let's copy that, echo Smokey, my password 123 to creds.txt, cat creds.txt, and these are our credentials. There is one user in database, so we can't do much with the website as a Smokey user. Let's try SSH to the machine. SSH Smokey my password 123. Okay, let's moving to home directory. Oh, there is a user Hazel. Can I moving to Hazel? Yep, ls and user.txt file. Let's cat user.txt. Oh, we get permission denied. So let's switch user to Hazel, switch user Hazel, and I don't have Hazel's password. I get help from hint weak password. Okay, it says weak password. The password would be admin. Oh, it's not. Switch user Hazel. The password would be 123456. Oh, it's not. Switch user Hazel. The password would be Hazel. Oh, it's true. And let's cat user.txt. And we grab user.txt, one flag, done. Let's copy the value and paste it here. What next? Let's do privilege escalation. I try to look for SUID binaries. SUID binaries are binaries that have the SUID bit set that sets you as a root user when you are running it. Let's run find command, tag perm, tag u equals SUID bit, tag ls slash null. As you can see, we don't have a binary that has SUID bit set. So try to use another privilege escalation technique, sudo tag l, that shows us if we can run any command as root. Okay, we can run hasher.py as root and also set the environment with setenv. Whenever an attacker is introduced inside an environment that has Python files, we can run a technique called Python library hijacking to elevate access. We can set environment variable, which is setenv, while running this command. Due to setenv allows us to set environment variables. So let's look at the hasher.py. It hashes the strings you give is as an input. Give us ND5 hash, SHA 256 hash, and SHA 1 hash. It doesn't matter what this script does. The important point in this script is that there is no mention of the full path of this library, hashlib, Python hashlib library. Due to there is no path which hashlib to use in this script. So we can create our own hashlib. And well, how could we exploit this and elevate our access? Let's hijack hashlib, find /user tag name hashlib.py. I went to find it. Okay, copy this one. First, copy the location of Python library called hashlib.py, which is being used. Copy hashlib.py to /temp /hashlib.py. We can create our own hashlib.py cd /tmp ls nano hashlib.py, and let's spawning a TTY shell using Python. Import pty pty.spawn /bin /bash. Control O, enter, Control X, and once hasher.py is executed, our hashlib library will be executed. So let's use this command, sudo python path equals temp directory and /user/bin /python3 /home hazel hasher.py from sudo tacl output, and press enter. And now we are root. What's Python path? Python path library environment variable. Python path is an environment variable which you can set to add additional directories where Python will look for modules and packages. Well, Python path environment variable indicates a directory where Python can search for modules to import. Great. So change directory to /root ls, and let's grab root.txt. Copy the value and paste it here. Thanks for watching this video according to YouTube algorithm. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. If you enjoyed this video, I will see you in the next video. Take care.